In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Alight Motion on PC and install Alight Motion step by step. First, let's quickly talk about what we're doing and why. Alight Motion is designed primarily as a mobile app, so to run it on a computer, we're going to use an Android emulator. An emulator basically creates a virtual Android phone on your PC, so you can install and use mobile apps just like you would on your device. The process is safe, as long as you download everything from the official sources. And I'll walk you through that. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your PC. In the search bar, type Download Android Emulator for PC, and look for a well-known, trusted emulator from its official website. Avoid any suspicious links or pages that don't look professional. Once you've found the official site, click the download button for the Windows or Mac version, depending on your computer. When the installer finishes downloading, open it from your Downloads folder. If your system asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installer. Usually, you'll just need to agree to the terms and conditions and click Next a few times. It may take a few minutes for the emulator to install, so be patient and avoid running too many other programs while it's working. After installation, open the emulator from your desktop or Start menu. The first time it launches, you'll go through a quick setup process, similar to setting up a new Android phone. You'll be asked to sign in with a Google account so you can access the Play Store. Use an account you're comfortable with, and make sure you remember your login details. Once you're at the emulator's home screen, find and open the Google Play Store app. In the search bar at the top of the Play Store, type Alight Motion. Look for the official Alight Motion app. Check the icon and developer name to confirm it's the right one, then click Install. The download time will depend on your internet speed, but it's usually pretty quick. When the installation finishes, you'll see an Open button in the Play Store, and an Alight Motion icon will appear on the emulator's home screen. Click that icon to launch the app. From here, you can start creating and editing your projects just like you would on a mobile device, but with the added comfort of your keyboard, mouse, and larger screen. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Alight Motion on your PC.